Come a bit this way, mate. A bit more. No, go back where you were.
I'm standing here in the middle of Nepal looking at the most beautiful mountain range on the planet. This is the Annapurna range and we're in central Nepal. So the question is, how did this magnificent mountain range form?
Yeah, it's
well, at least we've got it, even if we don't use it.
Yeah, we've got something there now which I can use. Yeah, and what we're going to do now is we're going to go up there to start looking, and we're going to go up there now and start looking for evidence of this uplift. So why don't we do that, Mike? Something that brings me up to the journey. Okay. Sure. So it doesn't matter. We'll cut into that. Okay.
Okay.
So just carry on. One more take. Yeah. So you can be looking over at the mountains, then come back to camera. Okay. So turning over. Turn.
So as geologists, we're interested in how these mountains formed. So what we need to do is to go up there, trek up into the mountains, and the first thing we do is to make a geological map as we go, to record the structures and the rock types as we go. Then we collect samples, and we can use those samples for dating the rocks, and we can compile all this data to come up with a tectonic model of how the Himalayas formed. So what we need is a map in 2 dimensions, we need a cross-section in 3 dimensions, and we need pressure, temperature, depth and time on the metamorphic rocks. And with all those constraints that we can use, we can measure in the laboratory on the samples when we get home, we can constrain how the Himalayas formed. So right, what we're going to do now is to trek up to the high Himalayas, and we're going up towards this magnificent mountain Mashapuchari, the fishtail, and we're going to do exactly that. We're going to look at the rocks, collect samples, map, bring the samples back for dating, and we can use all of that data to constrain the structural and metamorphic evolution of this magnificent mountain belt.